Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 16, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two different methods for importing an image floor plan into Coohom. Let's get started. First, we need to open a new project. When we do that, we see several options. Draw from scratch, import, search floor plan. In this video, we will focus on the import option. Method 1. Auto add walls. Click on Import Floor Plan. A new window will open. This may take a few seconds. Once it loads, you'll see the import options. Now, select the Recognize option. This feature will automatically draw walls and add doors and windows for you. It's perfect if you don't want to draw walls from scratch. Below, you'll see a few parameters. At the bottom left corner, there are tools to select a specific part of your floor plan image. You can drag the yellow lines to highlight the area you want to work with. Setting the perimeter and scale. Measurement option. There are two options. One is area, second is scale if you select area. Then you'll need to enter the room's area in the box located below the scale option. And if you select scale, you'll need to specify how much you want to scale the floor plan while uploading it. You can choose either option, whichever suits your needs best. Floors option. Choose whether it's the first floor, second floor, etc. Scale option. Choose 2 points on a wall, then enter the actual length of that wall and click Confirm. Method 2. Manual wall drawing. Now, let's explore the second method. Repeat the process by selecting Import Floor Plan, but this time, choose the Draw the Wall Manually option. Again, set 2 points to define the wall length and click Confirm. Then use the Straight Wall tool to manually draw your floor plan. And boom! Your floor plan is created. Your floor plan is ready. Whether you use the Auto Recognition tool or manually drew the walls, both methods are efficient depending on your project needs. Mastering these two methods can make your design workflow in Coohom faster and more accurate. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more interior design tutorials using Coohom. And don't forget, you can get up to 73% OFF on any Coohom Pro subscription using my exclusive promo code, Home Designer. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code, HD Elite. Click the link in the description below to claim the deal. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll continue building your design skills step by step. Happy designing!